channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you like our content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Today we're in a county park called C.B. Smith in Broward County. I'm gonna give you guys a review and show you what this place looks like. It is very nice, very clean. Look at that lake. This is our site right here. Oh, look at that. Now that's fun. Yeehaw! Yeah, we'll definitely do that later on. But yeah, this is our site right here. All the sites are full hookup. That's a bathhouse right there. Very nice overall, very clean, spacious. And all your hookups. I believe it's $35 a day here. So what makes this park special, just like TY Park in our previous video, it is located here in South Florida. South Florida is very expensive, and I mean, you can stay here for relatively cheap. It's just one issue, it's hard to book, you know. But other than that, it's a very nice campground. Hope you guys like the video. I'll go show you the full campground right now. This right here is the entrance to the campground. So yeah, C.B. Smith Park, located in the city of Pembroke Pines, our hometown, matter of fact. It's very nice. It is run by Broward County. It's clean and it's cheap. It could literally fit any size RV, as big as that big toy hauler, motorhomes, a small trailer over there, myself, any size, and they're all paved.